Hartley's jelly pots. They can hardly contain themselves.
Yes, it's a word we say hundreds of times every day. The Aqua Advance credit card puts you in control. Even if you've been turned down for credit before, we'll try our best responsibly to say yes. There's no annual fee and a manageable credit limit. And with the Advance card, the rate you pay will go down and down and down. Apply for your Aqua Advance card now. Go to aquacard.co.uk and get a response in 60 seconds.
Who wants to eat some cake?
The Gypsy Sisters